Dallisgrass, once a popular choice for pasture turf, is now considered an invasive and hard-to-control grassy weed. This weed grows in unsightly clumps that look similar to crabgrass and can even be toxic if consumed by animals. So in this video, we'll go over the steps to identify Dallisgrass and control it so you can keep your grass clear during the growing season. If you'd like to shop the products in this video and learn even more about Dallisgrass control, click the icon on the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. The first thing you should do in any lawn care plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Dallisgrass is a grassy weed, so it looks like most other grasses. Dallisgrass is similar to crabgrass in that the blades will seem to grow outward from the center of the plant. But unlike crabgrass, Dallisgrass grows tall and upright, with mature heights starting around 14 inches, and if left uncontrolled, it can grow over 5 feet tall. The flower head consists of 2 to 10 drooping spikelets that branch at different points along the top of the flower stalk. Dallisgrass is also a lighter shade of green compared to other grasses. Dallisgrass is commonly confused for crabgrass since they both grow in clumps and share similar looks. However, it's important to distinguish between the two since they're different weeds with different treatment approaches. While Dallisgrass grows tall, crabgrass grows shorter, as tall as 2 feet. Crabgrass also spreads outward, making it look somewhat like a crab when you look down at it. While Dallisgrass has drooping spikelets, crabgrass's spikelets branch from the same point at the top of the stalk. While Dallisgrass is a consistent green color, crabgrass darkens as it matures and can even take on shades of purple. Inspection is the next phase of any good lawn care plan. Once you know what your weeds look like, check around your property to confirm their presence. Check for any clumps of weeds growing in your lawn. Be on the lookout for upright stalks with drooping spikelets, as they'll indicate you may be dealing with Dallisgrass. If you find low-growing clumps, you may be dealing with crabgrass. Dallisgrass grows well in areas with poor drainage, so check spots that often see standing water after rain. Dallisgrass is a perennial warm-season grassy weed and will grow best during the summer and early fall. Come winter, the grass will die, but the roots will remain dormant underground until spring, where the plant will emerge again. Be sure to note where you've spotted any Dallisgrass, as you'll treat these patches directly. After identifying your weed and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment, or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To kill established Dallisgrass, use a post-emergent herbicide like Celsius WG. Celsius WG delivers excellent performance on warm-season grasses and removes a wide variety of annual and perennial weeds. Celsius WG comes in the form of wettable granules that must be dissolved in water before application. Since you're treating Dallisgrass, use an application of 0.085 to 0.113 ounces per 1,000 square feet. In metric, this comes out to 2.4 to 3.2 grams. Since you'll be making localized spot treatments, we recommend you mix 1 gallon of solution in a hand pump sprayer. You'll want to make applications during the late summer or early fall when the plant is vulnerable. Applications made too early in the spring will likely be ineffective. With low pressure, spray weeds directly and use a fan setting to thoroughly coat the leaves surface. Spray the weed to the point of wet, but not run off. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when the wind speeds are low to minimize drift. Dallisgrass is best controlled with 2 spot applications. Wait 30 to 60 days after your initial treatment to make a follow-up. Do not exceed the maximum annual rate of 0.17 ounces or 4.8 grams of product per 1,000 square feet per year. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after you've applied herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is make sure it can't happen. The best way to keep Dallisgrass from growing in your lawn is through proper lawn maintenance. By strengthening your turf grass and keeping up with its health, you'll choke out weeds and give them little opportunity to grow. Since Dallisgrass grows well in areas with poor drainage, improving the airflow in your soil will have a large impact. Rake and dethatch your lawn to improve aeration and encourage proper evaporation and water retention. Be sure that your lawn receives the proper amount of water, which is 1 to 1.5 inches of water every week, whether that's through rainfall or irrigation. It's best to water your lawn once a week rather than watering a little every day. Mow your grasses to the proper height. Adjust your mower so your grass will come out to 3 to 4 inches tall. Tall grass encourages deeper root growth and prevents weeds like Dallisgrass from receiving much needed sunlight. If you're treating a large piece of property and looking for a pre-emergent herbicide, check out Dithiopyr 40 WSB. Dithiopyr 40 WSB is labeled to treat a variety of grassy and broadleaf weeds. Be aware that this product comes in pre-measured, water-soluble pouches and should be used in these quantities. Finally, keep up with a proper fertilizing schedule. By keeping nitrogen levels stable and laying fertilizers high in potassium, you'll maintain strong turf grass and suppress other weeds from growing. For Dallisgrass that's already established, the best thing you can do is take a shovel and dig the plant out yourself, roots and all. Be sure to dig up the rhizomes completely, as any left behind will grow the plant back next growing season. Younger Dallisgrass rhizomes will be much easier to dig up as they're smaller in size and less rooted in the ground. Dallisgrass is difficult to get rid of once it's established, but there are ways to control a weed invasion that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop Dallisgrass from growing in your lawn, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.